Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha and today we are going to practice day 2 of our Halasana. Before we start, I'm really glad and I'm really happy to say that today I have reached 100k subscribers. This means a lot because there was a day which I just started and I had hardly no subscribers, and today is the day which I have reached here already. It was a beautiful journey, talking to so many people through my YouTube, lot of comments, replying them, talking to them, kind of being engaged, trying to understand what they're looking for and accordingly trying to make the videos. It was actually a journey and lot of supporters. I can't even name. There are so many people who have been replying every single day, and I know like these guys are actually engaged. Ultimately, I'm happy that I could reach so many people and so many people have found my videos helpful. I could help them with my videos. It's just an amazing feeling. So keep supporting and keep loving throughout. So let's start the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe the channel and click a bell icon right next to it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram with the idea of yoga for cure. Okay, the major topic why we are here, Halasana. So day 2. Yesterday we tried few things where we worked on our spine. So it's a forward fold bending, right? So if you can work on forward fold more, then this asana is going to be helpful. Also practice Sarvangasana. Getting from Sarvangasana to Halasana, it's much easier, and that's a right way of getting into Halasana. Yesterday I had a chair here, and today, so chair was like slightly high. If you don't have, like if you're done with the chair, if you want to go much deeper, keep a pillow or something smaller size. Try with that same technique and then slightly go ahead. We'll talk more about technical things today and how should you come out of asana and what should you practice next. Now, just lie down on your back. Oh, here is our man. Okay. I'm sure you're done with your warm up. Yesterday, whatever you practiced, so do that before you jump into this asana and complete your Surya Namaskaras few more times. Now, lift your both the hands up straight, extend your arms. Inhale, legs up, down, up, down. Here, you're just giving a bit of stretch to the spine. Up, down, up, down, up, touch your palm and come down. And it's okay, keep your shoulders slightly rounded, it's just a warm up. Up with the help of your stomach, down. Once again, stay here. 3, 2, 1. Slowly go up, come back. Lift your hip up, down, up, down. Now push your hip up. Now focus on the shoulder right now. Just try to roll your shoulder completely back. Okay, here more than your spine, I want you to focus on your shoulder. Here interlock your both the palm. So get your shoulder in and drop your hands down. Chin down. Stay. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Release your shoulders. Relax your arms. Drop it down. Okay. Now you're going to lift your both the legs up. Gather the energy from stomach. Keep your both the hands down. From here, come to Sarvangasana. Work on your shoulder. So try to get your both the shoulders, elbows closer to each other. Now from the hip, you are not rounding your shoulder. Only from the hip, you're gonna bend your knee. Stay here for some time. You can feel a lot of stretch. Be here. Just You should be able to see your knee very clearly. Use a pillow or something if you have around, and then slowly keep pushing your toes down. Tip of the toe, interlock your both the fingers and drop it down. You can feel the stretch here, feel the stretch here. Just hold. Now when you are done, bend your both the knee. Take your leg up, slowly drop it down. Okay, this is a very simple asana. There is no much of a technique, but then only thing you should remember, when you lift your leg up completely in Sarvangasana, you should drop it very slowly. So you know the limit. If you can hold here, this is great for today. Okay, do not really force yourself. Tomorrow you can see the leg will be slightly down, down, down. That's how your body keep improving. Okay, once you finish this, I want you to practice Matsyasana, because sometimes you put lot of pressure on the shoulder and the neck by practicing Sarvangasana or Halasana. How would you release that? Either keep your knee bent or straighten your knee. Let me keep my knee bent because it's much easier. Now both the hands next to it, lift your chest up. Okay, start something like this. Knee bent, your hip is on the floor, your spine is lifted up. Now focus on keeping your middle part of the head on the floor. If you remember headstand, how did you try keeping your head down? Just look back, drop it down, and release your hands on the thigh. You just have to look back. 3, 2, your neck is not on the floor, shoulder is not on the floor, your spine is not on the floor, only your tailbone is on the floor. Now drop your hands down, lift your neck up and come down. Turn to the right and the left. This is very important. You want to practice Halasana, great, but once you are done with Halasana, how will you protect your shoulder or neck if at all you have any stress? Because you can feel a lot of pressure when you are in Halasana, at least initially, right? So you must take care of your neck accordingly. So soon after you come back, you practice Matsyasana, you can feel that your neck is completely relaxed. Also try adding few neck stretches which will help you to feel better after this. Okay, this practice can be done only with the time. Have lot of patience. Do not worry about it that it's not running away anywhere. Take it slow, small parts. So today's practice you can do only when you are extremely comfortable with yesterday. It's okay, take a week or 2, I'm sure you will be here. So practice this. If you can do it very easily with my help by any chance, so take a picture and tag it in Instagram. We'll be really happy to see your practice. All the very best. Thank you.